It's spring, getting nice out. This just tastes like spring to me. We have baked a French vanilla cake with the whatever it says on the back, the oil, the water, the eggs. And go ahead and bake it as usual and then let it cool. And then we're going to take a fork and poke holes in it all over. And I've pre-done most of those. Then you're going to take a small package of whatever Jell-O you like. I like cherry. And sometimes lime. Okay, and you're going to mix 3/4 to 1 cup of water, hot water, with the package of Jell-O. And then let it cool at room temperature. Don't let it set up. And then we're going to pour this cooled Jell-O all over the top of the cake. And it's going to go down all those little holes. And it's going to be neat looking when we cut it open in a little bit. You know, generally on Jell-O it says to mix 1 cup of hot water and 1 cup of cold water. No, we're just going to do the 1 cup of hot water, 3/4 to 1 cup of hot water, and that's all. So it's thicker, and that's all we need. And then that's poured on, and then we're going to take a Cool Whip, and that's going to be the frosting. We're going to spread the Cool Whip all around, like frosting. Probably take 1.5 of these small containers, or however much you want to put on. You might like lots of Cool Whip, and you might want it real thick, or you might want less, so just use 1 small container. Okay, we're going to put this in the fridge to cool. And then I'll take it back out and cut it open. And okay, it's cooled down. And we put it in the refrigerator. And there's your Jell-O Poke Cake. It's cute. And it tastes wonderful. See you next time on Taste of Thursday.